YouTube, what's up fam? What we have here today is road rage video best compilation for 2025, idiot in cars. So before we waste more time, let's jump on this. Let's see what is going to happen. Yeah, so let me put myself right at the corner here. Yeah, okay,
God, don't do it, you.
so hit the subscribe
Are
button
you
right now.
serious?
Moving.
Are you serious?
Like, why is this driver brake checking, bro? Some drivers just wake up and choose nothing but violence. I mean, why is he doing this for God's sake? This driver actually, his insurance will be proud of him for that. When they see this video, they'll be proud of him.
What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Almighty.
West, east. 2 miles, turn left onto
Oh my God. Fuckhead.
Yeah, you sound like a local too. I got your 9 plus. Man, I just turned it on, was checking to see if everything was kosher.
Bro,
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Shit, Jesus Christ.
he was not actually on the zebra line either, and he could not even check properly how to cross the highway. Yo, if you are driving or if you are riding all this motorbike or whatsoever, bro, like you are not on a zebra line, you should know we have to cross, bro, and how to do it. So let's keep going. Let's see what is going to happen next. Like everything on this video is actually following the title, bro. Like idiot cut off semi truck truck off and pay the price. When you cut off a truck, bro, you will pay the price. I'm not gonna lie.
Can't fix stupid.
Why can't this driver just give me way, bro?
Here it goes, watch this. On the ground.
So like, are they actually following each other? Or what?
Well,
Yo guys, thanks for watching the video till the end, bro. So if you like the reaction, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that anytime I post, yo, you will know about the latest that I'll be posting. So thanks more for watching from the starting to the end. Yo, let's go.